Athletes challenge their bodies on a regular basis through physical training and competitions. To keep up with the physical demands of their activities or sports, athletes need to fuel their bodies accordingly of carbs, protein, fats, and water. So our topic of discussion is how much amount of carbs, protein, water, and which type of water an athlete should consume. 500 ml water loss per hour occur in normal environment, but in case of hot environment, 2 to 3 liter water loss per hour can occur. In this condition, with water loss, electrolyte imbalance is a main leading factor in athletes. So athletes also face hyponatremia. To overcome this electrolyte imbalance, an athlete is suggested to take 0.3 to 0.7 gram of sodium per liter in the case of beverages, or he or she can consume 4 to 10 gram of sodium in regular diets. Athletes are also instructed to consume sports drinks, which contain actually 6 to 8% sugar, and this sugar can be in the form of glucose polymers, sucrose, and maltodextrins. An athlete is instructed to not to consume fructose because this fructose is thought that it can delay the gastric emptying. Number 2. Which type of carbohydrates an athlete should consume? An athlete should consume such type of carbohydrates which are less processed and more natural, because these are so beneficial for the athlete's health. Carbohydrate consumptions are different for the strengthening athletes, endurance athletes, and ultra endurance athletes. So some athletes are suggested to consume a specific amount of carbohydrates during competition because it is thought that it increases the performance. So carbohydrate consumption during exercise or competition is a main source of energy for the athlete, and after competition its consumption is also a major source to fulfill the depleted sources of the body. In total calories, carbohydrates contribute the maximum portion. Carbohydrates and proteins both have highest thermic effect of the food. Second, proteins are also equally important, especially for the athletes who want to gain muscle weight. Proteins also have highest thermic effect of food which needs maximum energy to get absorbed and stored. Proteins also have highest thermic effect of food which needs maximum energy to get digested and get absorbed in body. Fats also have highest importance after carbohydrates towards total calories. A specific amount of fats is needed for efficient athletic work and proficiency in athletes' nerves work, but its overuse is never suggested because it can hinder the overall athletic performance. So an athlete or performer is suggested to use the baked products over frying products. Hope so you like this video, so subscribe the channel and like the video.